Bafana Bafana attacking midfielder Themba Zwane celebrated his 50th appearance for the national team in style on Friday night, helping South Africa crush Congo Brazzaville 5-0 in the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualifier at the Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. The Mamelodi Sundowns playmaker, affectionately known as Mshishi, was a key figure in the dominant performance, which put Bafana Bafana one step closer to securing their place in next year's tournament. The night was particularly significant for Zwane, who has been a mainstay in the national side since his debut in May 2014 against Australia. Now 35 years old, Zwane reflected on the special occasion in his post-match interview with SABC, expressing pride in the team's progress and crediting coach Hugo Bros for revitalizing the squad after years of inconsistency, and said, "It was special to me. I feel good, and I want to thank my teammates who put in all the hard work to win the game." Visibly emotional after reaching milestone, Zwane said, "For the last 4 or 5 years, we've been struggling with ups and downs, but thanks to coach, we are now on the same page and doing well as a team." Zwane's influence on the national stage has been considerable. Over the course of his 50 caps, he has netted 12 goals with 48 starts and 8 appearances off the bench as South Africa prepares for the return leg in Brazzaville. On 15 October, Zwane and his teammates are optimistic about sealing their qualification in style. Bafana Bafana will be looking to replicate their commanding performance in their away fixture and secure their spot in the 2025 AFCON, a tournament they have their eyes set on. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.